everyone, I'm Laura Burns, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to look for images by combining different search features. So not only can you use the search features separately, so for example by searching by example photo, by external example photo, by keyword, or by faces, you can also combine these search features together. And you can use every search feature with another so that you can narrow down your results. To show you how to do that, we are going to search for photos of a person and at the same time photos that contain an object. And ideally in this instance, the person will be using the object, for example, working on a computer, holding a notebook, or something like that. So for this search, we need to take two consecutive measures. First, a search of photos that contain one of those objects, and secondly, based on the results of the first search, all the photos that additionally depict a person. And with that said, we are going to begin with searching by keyword. For that, we go to Library, and then to Plugin Extras, and then to Search by Keyword. And one category that will definitely include the objects mentioned before is Technology. And I don't want to narrow my results right now, rather I just want to search for every image that has to do with technology. And we can already see that 1,546 photos match this criteria. I want to view all of these on a single page, so I need to increase the results displayed from 50 to more than 1,546. I'm going to make it a little easier on myself and just type in 1600, which will do the job. And I want to make sure not to send the pictures to this collection file, which can be overwritten. Instead, I want to have them in a separate collection. I don't have anything else to do, so I will click Start. The search is already completed, and Excire has created a new collection from the keyword search results. And just to add, in order to get the best search results, you, the user, should definitely switch custom order on, because otherwise the image results are sorted by when they were taken. This is not so relevant for this search, but regardless, I will go ahead and do it once just to clarify how you can do that. So here at the bottom sorting field, I can click Custom Order. If you don't see this toolbar, and I will close it out now, then you just have to type the letter T and the toolbar will reappear. And if you don't see the custom order option in the sorting field, then you just have to click on the arrow at the bottom right hand side, and here you can choose which tools to include in the toolbar, and you can switch the tools on and off here. The sorting tool is already switched on. And now we can choose the order in which the images appear. This is just so Excire can generate a collection in an order that corresponds with what you, the user, are looking for. Now we see images of technological objects. It starts with cameras here, and further along there are other types of technology. But for right now, that doesn't interest us because this is just the first step. And now we need to also look for photos in this collection that also include people. So to do that, we click Library and then Plugin Extras again, and then this time click Search for Faces. And because I'm not looking for a particular person, but rather any pictures of both technology and a person, we're just going to click the Any setting. Also, I want Excire to only search this particular collection, so it's important that film strip is selected and not whole catalog. This is just so that the search results are limited to this technology collection, and therefore the results will be relevant to our search. So now I'm just going to check that everything is selected, so Any and film strip, and so we are good to go. So we can already see that there are 10 photos that match this criteria, 10 photos of technology, which also include people. I can leave the number of results displayed at 50 and then press Start. And voila, we are done. We can see that all 10 of the photos contain an object and a person, and I'm going to make the thumbnail a little bit bigger so you can see them a little bit more clearly. You can see that my previously mentioned example idea of a person pictured with a notebook also came up. We can see that the first couple of photos are of a young woman with her notebook. And we have people with a camera. And then we have another notebook, the young woman with a microphone and headphones. And then lastly, a picture with a coffee cup. So you can see that in Excire, you can not only use the search functions one at a time, but also combine them in order to find a selection of photos from your catalog quickly and in a targeted manner.